phone from what?
From everything that's keeping you from me.
Stop acting like you know my plan. Stop acting like you own it. Hindi ikaw si Joyce, and you will never be Joyce.
Pag-ibig ko'y bakit ikaw pa rin?
Jocelyn, mahal kita.
You don't have to. Huwag mo kong mahalin kasi mahal kita. Mahalin mo ko dahil mahal mo ko. Because that's what I deserve.